Welcome to Outgrow. In this tutorial, we'll show you step-by-step how to create an interactive nonprofit quiz using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. Click on the Outcome quiz. You can either start from scratch or choose a ready-made template. Outgrow has 1,000 plus ready-made templates with responsive designs and layouts, which will help you create your quiz quickly and easily. After selecting a template, you need to customize it according to your brand. On the Welcome screen, you can add a headline and a short description. For example, add the headline, Discover Your Nonprofit Superpower, and the short description, Take this quick quiz to find the perfect way to make an impact. Now, let's add a few questions inside this quiz to make it better and engaging. Here are some example questions you can include in your quiz. What issues or causes are you most passionate about? How much time are you realistically able to commit per month? What skills or expertise do you have to offer? How would you prefer to contribute? What's your motivation for getting involved? You can continue adding similar questions like these to better understand your audience and match them with the most suitable way to contribute. Now, let's configure the outcome screen. Based on the responses, the quiz can display personalized results. Here are some sample outcomes you can add: the awareness ambassador, the event dynamo, the skilled specialist, the fundraising superstar. Each outcome can include personalized suggestions on how the user can contribute to the nonprofit. Before showing the results, you can also enable a lead generation form. For example, you can ask for name, email address, phone number, etc. This allows nonprofits to capture supporter leads while providing personalized recommendations. Next, head to the Overall Design tab to customize the look and feel of your quiz. Upload your nonprofit's logo, apply your brand colors, add image or video for background, and adjust font so the quiz looks clean, professional, and engaging. Next, head to each question slide and map every option with the respective outcomes, and do the same process for all the questions added. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your nonprofit quiz. You can now share the live URL, embed it on your nonprofit website, or include it in campaign pages, blogs, or email newsletters. And that's it. You've now created an interactive nonprofit quiz using Outgrow and the AI assistant, helping supporters discover how they can make an impact while driving meaningful engagement for your organization. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building your own interactive experiences today.